Yesterday, I was texting my friend, and my friend sent me messages like IMHO, and then he said TTYL. What the heck does that mean? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English on Autopilot. And today we are going to talk about how to text in English. In English, we English speakers like me love to use abbreviations. Abbreviations. When you take a word or many words and you shorten them. Today, I am going to teach you the trick, the secret to understanding text messages like these in English. Let's get started. To start, we are going to talk about everyday reactions. These are also the most common. You will see them a lot every day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, every day. Okay? The first is maybe the most famous, which is LOL. Do you know what LOL stands for? What it means? It means laugh out loud. Now, when you laugh, you can laugh like this. It's kind of funny. It's not very funny. When something happens that is very funny, you you laugh out loud where people can hear you. This message normally is accompanied with, is followed by this emoji. Now, LOL is for something that's funny, makes you laugh out loud. What about ROFL? ROFL means rolling on the floor laughing. It's even stronger. It's even funnier. Think of someone on the ground rolling around laughing. It's very, very strong. Now, another one. You and your friend are going to hang out at the park. At the park with trees. And you are going to the park. You are going to the park. Your friend is at the park. And they text you. Hey, are you almost here? Are you almost at the park? And you want to be funny. You say, no, I haven't left my house yet. I'm still at home. And then you say, JK, I'm almost at the park. JK, just kidding. Just kidding. Which means you're joking. It's not true. You're kidding. You're playing a joke. Your friend might respond, OMG. I believed you. I thought you were at home. OMG. Oh my God. Or, oh my gosh. Oh my God. Right? OMG can be used for a lot of things too. It's for surprise. OMG. I can't believe it. Right? OMG is for anything that is surprising. Another reason why we use abbreviations is because they are quicker. They're faster than writing an entire message. So now let's talk about quick responses, where the message could just be the abbreviation and the person understands what you mean. Okay, the first one is BRB. BRB. What does that mean? Let me give you an example. You are working and your colleague, your coworker, the person you work with, says in a message, I'm going to the bathroom. BRB. I'm going to the bathroom. BRB. Be right back, which means they will return to their desk to work in a short amount of time. They will be right back. Or, I'm going to the store to buy food. BRB. I'll be home soon. I'll be right back. BRB. Or your friend needs to do something. You two are playing video games and they need to go to work or to school and they do not have their phone. They might text you TTYL. Talk to you later. I will talk to you later. Maybe in an hour, 2 hours, or tomorrow. Talk to you later. TTYL. TTYL is another quick response. Now, 3 more that are very useful. NP. Let's go back to work. And your coworker says to you, I need help with this project, but you are very busy. You cannot help. And you say, sorry, I can't help. And they respond, NP. What does that mean? It means no problem, no problem. It's okay, no problem. Or you can help and you say, sure, I will help you. And they respond, TY, which of course means thank you, thank you. And then you respond to them, YW, you're welcome, you're welcome. Simple, right? I agree. Now, let's talk about sharing our opinion, what we believe. Whether it's true or not doesn't matter. It's what we believe. If your friend asks you what they should do, you can say, IMO, you shouldn't text your ex-girlfriend. IMO. In my opinion, I believe you shouldn't text your ex-girlfriend. Or you can say, In my honest opinion. This one is a little stronger, but they mean the same thing. Or your friend asks, should I text my ex-girlfriend? And you respond, IDK, IDK, I don't know, I don't know. You decide, I don't know. Or your friend texts you, BTW, I texted my ex-girlfriend. By the way, I texted my ex-girlfriend. Now, by the way just means, oh, you should know, oh, I did this. By the way is a way to introduce something into a conversation. That's it. By the way, I made $1 million yesterday. By the way, I didn't make $1 million yesterday. A similar abbreviation similar to BTW is FYI. My friend texted me, FYI, I'm moving to Madrid, and I celebrated. He said, for your information. It's like saying, by the way. But for your information is to give information about something to your friend. FYI, I'm moving to Madrid. Awesome. Now, let's talk about love. Let's talk about love and abbreviations. Now, let's imagine that you see someone that's very handsome or a woman that's very beautiful, and you want to say hello. In person, no. Oh my gosh, no. We live right now in the 21st century, in 2025. To say that in person, no. You say it on Instagram. And you say it in a DM. Have you heard DM before? For example, someone might say, DM me, which means direct message. DM is like a text message, but on apps like Instagram or Twitter, or I guess X now. I don't know. A DM is just a text message on an app like Instagram. Now, if someone slides into your DMs means that person messaged you on Instagram. Oh, Kyle slid in to Sarah's DMs. Kyle messaged Sarah. Now, ILY. Kyle sent Sarah the message ILY, which means I love you. Oof, Kyle, relax. Sarah, she doesn't love you. Relax. Now, Sarah messaged her BFF she messaged her BFF. Kyle said, I love you to me. Ugh. Ah, poor Kyle. BFF. Sarah messaged her best friend forever. Her best friend. Her number one friend. Another abbreviation is CU, which means see you. See you later. But see is not spelled. The verb to see is SEE. And you is YOU. But the letters sound like the words. So you can say see you. The last abbreviation today that we are talking about is GG. This is mostly for video games, which means good game. You say this to your opponent after the game. GG, good game, as in you did good. You can say this if you win or if you lose. GG, it's to be nice. It's to be nice. Put in the comments below, what abbreviations do you use in your native language and what they mean? Put it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to keep watching more comprehensible input right here and to keep learning English. Okay, everyone. See you in the next video. Bye.